welcome to our lab.
Today we have a cool experiment for you guys. We're gonna move water without touching it. Cool, right? For this experiment, we're gonna need a plate, a spoon, water, and food coloring so you can see how the water moves.
You're also gonna need 2 sizes of candles. You're gonna need the big one and the small one. And you're also gonna need a cup or a vase, but make sure it covers both of the candles and make sure they have enough space at the top. And next, you're going to need a lighter. My mom is gonna help me light the candles.
Make sure you have an adult supervision when doing this experiment.
And now we're gonna start the experiment.
I'm gonna add a few drops of dye.
And I'm gonna stir it.
I'm gonna pour the water into the plate carefully. Now it's time to pour.
Whoa, that's so cool! And now that we have the water in the plate, we're gonna start off with the smallest candle. Place the candle in the middle of the plate. And my mom is gonna help me light it up.
Guys, this is the fun part. I'm gonna cover the candle with the cup. But watch what happens to the water. That's so satisfying.
Whoa, that's so cool. Could do this all day.
It's about to rise.
Oh, look at that.
That's so cool. That's the best thing I ever saw.
Oh, look at the smoke. It just went all the way up.
Now the water's turning a little bit more
dark. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but with the bigger candle. Watch closely to see what happens with it. Wow, that's so cool. Guys, watch how the water rises.
The water's rising more than the smaller one. It's really cool. Whoa, it's rising almost be more than the cup, but just a little bit.
Whoa, that's so good.
It's kind of still rising.
And it looks like kind of green from that side.
Yeah, like in the cup, it's kind
of. And on the
green.
other side, it's like dark blue. Oh, I think I know why it's green, because the candle is yellow and the food coloring that we put in is blue. Yeah. And it's because I think it's closer to the other side and it makes it even more blue.
It's closer.
More green.
But it's kind of blue too on the top.
Now let's talk about what happened. Guys, we're able to move the water without touching it because of the pressure that we created when we put the glass vase over the candle that was lit.
Guys, pressure equals force.
Guys, did you notice that the bigger candle created more force because the water rose higher? Guys, in this experiment, we're able to move water without touching it.
Yeah, it's not magic, it's just science.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe to CEO
Xperiment Lab.